Welcome to our seminar on digital citizenship. In today's connected world, it's important to know how to use technology responsibly and safely. Digital citizenship is about behaving appropriately online, protecting your privacy, respecting others, and understanding the impact of your digital footprint. By the end of this seminar, you'll have practical tips to be a responsible and safe digital citizen.
Digital footprints are everything you leave online, posts, comments, and shares can stay forever. Always think before posting.
Online etiquette is key. Treat others with respect, avoid arguments or cyberbullying, and always verify information before sharing to prevent spreading fake news.
Privacy and security are important too. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and avoid oversharing personal information.
Responsible social media use means joining positive communities, sharing useful content, and avoiding negative environments.
Healthy digital habits include balancing screen time, taking breaks, and regularly checking privacy settings. Small steps like this protect you and others online.
Before we end, we recommend the Google Safety Center. It provides guides on protecting your accounts, managing your digital footprint, staying safe online. Thank you all for joining our training and seminar today. We hope you learned valuable skills in design and digital responsibility. Stay creative, safe, and smart online.